Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy I will explain you the chapter change in PSR among existing partners. PSR already you know is profit sharing ratio, and the topic to be explained you in this chapter is WCR, workman compensation reserve. Okay, right. Already I explained you workman compensation reserve. Right, workman compensation reserve, what is this? This is a reserve or collection of money reserve means collection of money. For what the reserve is maintained? To recover the losses caused to the workers due to the accidents or some other mishappening. Whatever mishappening takes place with the worker, that mishappening loss is recovered from this reserve. Okay, so this reserve is maintained only for the workers, so it's a liability for the partnership firm. Okay, and liability, as you well know, is shown on the credit side whenever increases and is shown on the debit side whenever it decreases. Okay, right. Now this topic WCR will be explained to you on the basis of question 26, case 3rd and 4th. Case 1st and 2nd already I explained you in the previous online class sections of accountancy. Now the case 3rd and 4th is left. Okay, right. Now first of all see the question number 26. Just have a look over the question. Once again I am showing you this question. Okay. 3rd and 4th case is left that I will explain you today. Have a click of case 3rd and 4th, question 26. If you have lost previous screenshots of the same question, now just see. Within balance sheet, workman compensation reserve has a balance of 40,000 rupees. And in case 3rd, as mentioned in the book, if a claim on account of WC workman compensation is estimated at rupees 40,000. What is the claim regarding workman compensation? 40,000 rupees. And in the balance sheet, WCR is having a balance of 40,000 rupees, and the same is the amount of workman compensation claim this year. So nothing will be left. Whatever amount is there in the balance sheet in front of WCR will be used this year for just meeting the claim of the workers. Okay, so our WCR reserve will be used to meet the claim of the workers this year, and hence the reserve amount will be transferred to provision for workman compensation claim account. Okay, right. One liability is decreasing, that is WCR, and its place is taken by another liability known as provision for workman compensation claim. Okay, 40,000 rupees. Right, whatever amount was there in the balance sheet, that is used here to meet the workman compensation claim of this year. Right, so nothing is left as a reserve of workman compensation to be distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. Now I am reading out the 4th case. If a claim on account of workman compensation is estimated at rupees 50,000, how much claim is there? 50,000 rupees. But how much amount is present in WCR workman compensation reserve as shown in the balance sheet on the liability side 40,000 rupees, but the liability is estimated how much? 50,000. So 10,000 more workman compensation reserve will be created. ठीक है, right? Workman compensation reserve provision, I already explained you. Provision or workman compensation reserve, or say provision for workman compensation reserve is a liability, and the increase in the liability is shown in the revaluation account. Is shown in the revaluation account on the debit side. Okay. Revaluation account is an account where we revalue the assets and reassess the liabilities. On reassessment of the liabilities, we notice here that 10,000 rupees liability is increasing, and within the revaluation account, the increase in liabilities is shown on the debit side within revaluation account. Okay, and hence this 10,000 increase in provision for workman compensation reserve, okay, will be shown on the debit side of revaluation account. So revaluation account will be debited here, and provision for workman compensation claim will be 50,000 rupees as mentioned in the question. Okay. Now liability is increasing within revaluation account, so it's a loss for the partnership firm, and loss amount we know is recovered from the partners. So this loss of 10,000 rupees will be recovered from the partners. When loss will be recovered from the partners, then what will happen? The capital of the partners will decrease, and decrease in capital, as we know, is shown on the debit side as per the rules of debit and credit. So here two partners are present, A and B. This 10,000 will be written off among these two partners in their profit sharing ratio. Profit sharing ratio is given in the question 2:3. 10,000 rupees is written off among these two partners in 2:3. You can calculate 10,000 multiply by 2/5 and 3/5. What will be the answer? 4,000 and 6,000. Okay, this is the amount of loss which will be recovered from the partners, because here what is happening? The claim on account of workman compensation reserve is increasing by 10,000 rupees. So it's a loss because the liability is increasing, and the liability increase is shown on the debit side of the revaluation account, and the loss due to this liability will be borne by the partners in the old ratio. And old ratio, according to old ratio, I have calculated how and what amount will be written off among the old partners in the old ratio. Okay. So keep in mind, whatever amount of WCR is present in the balance sheet, if there is no claim, then the total amount is distributed among old partners in the old ratio. If there is a claim, right, 40,000 rupees was present in the balance sheet on the liability side, and the same was the claim. So claim will be written off. Okay, will be used in this year to write off the claim of the workers. Okay. If the liability on account of workman compensation increases WCR present in the balance sheet, then whatever amount exceeds WCR, or say whatever amount of provision for workman compensation claim exceeds WCR, that amount will be shown on the debit side of revaluation account. Okay, and due to this increase in liability, what will happen? There will be a loss, and loss will be written off among all partners in the old ratio, and the same is done here. Okay, in the last journal entry calculations I have shown you. Okay, right? I am showing you the left hand side explanation of the same question. These are the basic journal entries which I have used to solve out the third and fourth case of question number 26. Okay, on the basis of these two basic entries, I have solved this case third and fourth of question number 26. Just see right hand side solution. These journal entries are based on the basic journal entries as shown on the left hand side of the left hand side board. Okay, and in last journal entry I have shown how the loss on revaluation of liabilities is to be written off in old ratio. Okay, so this was the solution of question number 26. Finally the question is solved. Okay, the explanation YouTube video link will be provided to you, will be shared with you in the WhatsApp class group. Okay, repeatedly you watch the video, and if any problem is there, you can share your problem with me in my WhatsApp class group. WhatsApp number, okay, my personal WhatsApp number can also be used by you, as well as you can use the class group, homework class group of 12th A or 12th B, in order to get your queries solved. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.